Hello and welcome everybody. I am Shraddha Kadakia, a commercial photographer. Sony is known to come up with high-tech innovations, and their latest addition has raised the scale and set the markets abuzz. I am going to introduce a new gadget today, which has become talk of the town in no time after its launch. In my fist, I am holding a technology that will change the game of photography forever, the new Sony CyberShot QX10. This uniquely designed camera by Sony connects with your smartphone to use the phone screen as camera display. It comes with Exmor-R sensor, Bionz processor and Sony G lens with 18 megapixel resolution, the only one of its kind, the only one in the market right now which can be attached to your smartphone with Wi-Fi or NFC. You can charge it with micro USB cable connected to your laptop or desktop. The device also has a button to click photographs and a lever to zoom in and zoom out. The battery pack and memory card slot is located at the back. You have to detach the back panel by sliding the small lever and rotating the panel to expose the battery compartment. To slide open the cover, there is a 630 mAh rechargeable battery powering the QX10. It gives you the freedom of clicking approximately 220 pictures or 25 minutes video in one full charge. You can check the battery status and the charge available in the small display window here. Thanks to Sony's recent update, you can capture video on full HD resolution. It supports micro SD cards and Sony's very own M2 micro memory sticks, which goes right here. The Sony QX10 is compatible with Android and iOS phones. You need to download Play Memories mobile app on your phone to get started. Enough said, it's time to fire up the camera and step out to capture some interesting photographs. Connecting your camera to your smartphone is a cake job. Switch on your QX10 and turn on your phone's NFC or Wi-Fi. Launch the Play Memories mobile app. For NFC users, tap the NFC logo on your mobile NFC port. Hold on for a couple of seconds for your app to detect the camera connection. For Wi-Fi connectivity, scan and connect as you would connect for any Wi-Fi network. Simple, right? The mobile phone will ask you for your password when you connect for the first time. You can find it on your manual's cover page or your camera's battery flap. Okay, so now my phone screen has become the camera screen itself. You can either use the lens and mobile display separately or mount your camera on mobile body with help of these clips. Really convenient when you want to click and enjoy ice cream at the same time. Just open the clips, slide the upper clip and place it over the phone body. This turns your smartphone into full-fledged touchscreen camera. How cool is that? Sony QX10 has spectacular 10x optical zoom, which can be controlled using zoom lever or your mobile touchscreen. I must say, I haven't used this before, but I am already very comfortable using it. Setting menu on your bottom right is packed with multiple options to tune your device. You have self-timer option, still image size, review image, save options, saving destination settings, size of review image. Wow, how nice is that? For now, let's keep everything on default settings. The flexibility of capturing great shots in tight situations lets you capture usually unreachable corners. All thanks to our detachable lens, it makes capturing candid expression easy. I'm at Mumbai's richest heritage site, the Gateway of India. This place is always flocked by visitors and tourists, ideal for street photography. Let's start clicking some portraits. portrait shots here. Let's check the results for ourselves. You just have to click the top right option on your phone touchscreen to open the gallery. Capturing street pictures is an interesting form of photography. Let's head to Colaba Street Market to capture a few more interesting pictures. Oh wait, I can see something below the car. That's a cat. Let me take the picture right away. Isn't that a cute little kitten? Sony QX10 makes it very easy for you to capture images in those impossible situations. So, no more lying down on the dirt and soiling your clothes. Sony makes photography easy. Colaba streets are filled with stalls selling fabrics and antiques, as you can see behind me. Let's try and capture that vendor selling some colorful items across the street using my zoom. The autofocus feature helps a lot when you zoom in, thanks to incredibly precise touch focus, which helps you capture crisper and sharper images even in full zoom. Lovely! Check the quality here, guys. I just got a really interesting street shot without actually going close to the subject. I am impressed. Let's click few more examples. Let's try clicking an unusual angle. I'm going to be placing my camera on the grounds with the help of a stone. Now I'm going to stand in front of camera clicking myself. Oh my god, I look so tall and powerful, like some superhero. This is fun. I want to make this my Facebook display picture. That shouldn't be a task. Just open the image, a little bit of cropping, go to options, upload and done. A perfect frame to end the perfect day with a perfect companion. Sony QX10. We got some excellent images of portraits, landscape, food and animal today. The QX10 is an excellent innovation by Sony producing great images. The camera is best for photographing in awkward angles. Thanks for wireless connectivity with your smartphone. Great for selfies, travel and perhaps wildlife photography. It's something which everyone would have a lot of fun experimenting with. Get your hands on it right now.